Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to reveal text as you run in CapCut using your desktop. So let's get started. Firstly, open CapCut. As you can see, I have already placed the video clip that we are going to use as an example for this tutorial. Before we proceed, let me rotate the facing of my video clip because it is facing the wrong way. There you go. Now that we have placed the video clip, we need to add the text. To do that, go to the text section in the upper left of the screen, and then add the default text. After inserting the default text, adjust it to match the duration of the video clip or the desired timing for the text to appear. Then proceed to edit the text according to your preference. Next, add keyframes to both ends of the text. To add keyframes to the text, simply scroll down, and when you reach the Position and Size section, click on the diamond symbol on the right corner. After adding the keyframe at the beginning of the video clip, move the text to the right side first, just like what I did here, because this is where your text will pop up. Next, add the end keyframe of the text, and this time move the text to the left side so that it completely vanishes, and make sure that it is still aligned. It must look like this. Next, duplicate the video clip and place it above the text. Right-click on the video clip and then select Edit to expand, and then choose Crop. All you need to do is crop this video clip exactly in the half body of the person in the video clip, just like what I did here. And then confirm. And then position the cropped video clip as if nothing happened, just like this. Next, duplicate the video clip once again. Then, remove the background by clicking on the video clip and accessing the video section. Choose Cutout and select Auto Cutout. Please wait until the process is completed. And here's the final result. And there you have it. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.